Launch Control 1.3, the next level vehicle animation tool, is here. Introducing new presets. Launch Control ships with a wide range of preset animations, ready to go with any car model. They can serve as animation references or even as a starting ground for your next animation project. We also updated the icons, making them more readable and more beautiful. Some new animation handles were added to allow even more crazy car movements. The drift offset handle helps artists when making complex drift animations. A crucial feature for realistic animation is the steering lock. It makes sure that the front wheels never turn more than what realistically is possible. This allows the users to make tighter drifts, spin out, and much more. To ease the animation process, an optional suspension clip was added. It takes care of adjusting the body of the car when the wheels are trying to push through it. With the new QuickTag tool, you can rig any four-wheeled vehicles faster than ever. Tag the body, the four wheels, and off you go. Thanks to all the feedback from the users, we developed an improved FBX workflow for Unreal Engine. It's now possible to export your model once, prepare it, shade it in Unreal Engine, and then finally export multiple animation assets, which you can plug and play into Unreal Engine. This makes iteration speed much faster. It even allows you to create an animation library for your model. We are also introducing a new Launch Control Discord community. You can join here and then from then on get information and updates for Launch Control. Here you can share your work and get feedback from other people. You can ask questions if you have a problem, and you can get in contact to collaborate with other artists. We're also giving out special discount codes, so before buying the add-on, you maybe want to check the Discord first. With the launch, we're running a sale, so if you want to grab a copy with 25% off, head over to the blendermarket.gumroad page now and get started. The sale will end on the 4th of June. We are excited to see the awesome car madness you all are going to create with Launch Control.